In the world of video editing, powerful software can make all the difference. And today, we'll explore the top 5 software options that can elevate your storytelling. Kicking off our list is Adobe Premiere Pro, a leading choice among professionals for its comprehensive features and seamless integration with other Adobe products. Next up is Final Cut Pro X, favored by many Mac users for its intuitive design and powerful editing capabilities that streamline the creative process. At number 3, we have DaVinci Resolve, renowned for its professional-grade color correction tools and robust editing features, making it a favorite among filmmakers. The 4th entry on our list is Film Express, a free software that offers a rich selection of effects and editing tools perfect for aspiring filmmakers on a budget. Rounding out our top 5 is Sony Vegas Pro, celebrated for its straightforward workflow and powerful features that cater to both beginners and seasoned editors alike. These 5 software options, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro X, DaVinci Resolve, Film Express, and Sony Vegas Pro, offer unique strengths to help you create impactful videos.